Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you a new tool where you can upload your PDF files and ask any question from that PDF. This tool is called ChatPDF.com, and I believe the foundation for this tool is based upon the ChatGPT itself. Let's get started. Go to Google and search for ChatPDF.com. After that, just click on the first result you see. It's ChatPDF.com. This will be the interface. You can either upload a PDF from your computer or from URL, or you can find a PDF online. I'm going to upload a PDF file from my computer. The PDF is uploaded now. One of the great thing about this tool is that it explains a little bit about what is the content present in the PDF file. So if I show you the PDF, see the animal names with picture. You can see there are a couple of animals with their picture. Now there are some examples as well. You can ask are there any unusual or lesser known animals included in the list? Okay, let's try this one. Let me copy it, paste it, and hit run. You can see the response. It gives the response and give us the names of the animals that are lesser known. So it also gives you pages, the animals present on which page of the PDF file. Give me animal name. Give me the animal name present in the who can travel large distance in desert. Okay, one animal present in the PDF file that can travel long distances in the desert is the dormitory, also known as Arabian camel. You can find more information about it on page 2 of the PDF file. So let's see. So this is the page 1 and this is the page 2. This is the animal name. Let me try one more. Four-legged animals. So as you can see that it's very useful to ask different questions from the PDF file. So it gave you a whole list, the list of the animals which contain 4 legs. Name all the animals and also give me a unique ability for each animal. Also give answer in bullet points. I believe it only gives information that is present in the PDF, as it cannot explain the unique ability of each element. So instead it just gives me the list of animals, like on page 1 these are the animals, and on page 2 this is the list, and on page 3 this is the list. So this angler is on page 3. Perfect. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.